Applying for a Regions Bank USA credit card can be done in a few straightforward ways. Here are the simple steps. 1. Check if you are already a Regions customer, highly recommended for online application. Regions Bank often prioritizes existing customers for online credit card applications, particularly for the Regions Explore Visa credit card. If you have a Regions checking or savings account, the online application process is generally smoother. 2. Explore credit card options. Visit the Credit Cards section of the Regions Bank website. Review the different credit cards they offer. Common options include Regions Cash Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card, earns cash back on purchases. Regions Prestige Visa Signature Credit Card, earns relationship rewards points, offering bonus categories. Regions Life Visa Credit Card, may offer an introductory April period for purchases and balance transfers. Regions Explore Visa Credit Card, a deposit-backed card designed for building credit, requires opening an Explore Card savings account. Regions Wealth Visa Signature Credit Card, for Regions private wealth management clients, offering enhanced rewards. Consider the rewards, annual fees, if any, interest rates, and benefits of each card to choose the one that best suits your needs. 3. Gather your information. Before you begin the application, collect the necessary details. Personal information, full name, address, including up to 2 years of address history, date of birth, social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Financial information, employment status, income, and potentially housing information, mortgage or rent payments. 4. Choose your application method. Online application, for existing customers primarily. Log into your Regions online banking account. Navigate to the Credit Cards section and select the card you want to apply for. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the application. For the Regions Explore Visa credit card, you'll typically be prompted to open an Explore Card savings account with a minimum deposit, e.g., $250. Apply in person at a branch. Locate the nearest Regions Bank branch. Visit the branch and speak with a banker about applying for a credit card. They will guide you through the application process and help you complete the necessary forms. Apply by phone. You can call Regions customer service at 1-800-REGIONS, 1-800-734-4667, to inquire about applying for a credit card over the phone. 5. Complete the application. Fill out all the required fields accurately and honestly. Review the terms and conditions before submitting. 6. Submit your application. If applying online, click the Submit button. If applying in person, hand the completed forms to the bank representative. If applying by phone, follow the instructions provided by the customer service agent. 7. Wait for a decision. Regions Bank will review your application. You might receive a decision relatively quickly in some cases, especially if you are an existing customer applying online. However, it can take longer, and you may be notified by mail or email about the decision. Important notes. Credit score. Your creditworthiness is a significant factor in whether your application is approved and the terms you receive. Pre-approval. Regions Bank may have a tool on their website to check for pre-approved credit card offers without impacting your credit score. Look for a Check for Offers section. Explore Card Savings Account. For the Regions Explore Card, you will need to fund the linked savings account to secure your credit line. By following these simple steps, you can apply for a Regions Bank USA credit card. Remember to choose the card that best fits your financial needs and preferences.